अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज हमने केमिकल रिएक्टिविटी चैप्टर नंबर 8 क्लास 9 रिगार्डिंग न्यू सिलेबस जिसमें हम एग्जांपल और एक्सरसाइजेस सॉल्व करेंगे, एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन आंसर। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज we have to answer this exercise questions, all reasoning questions, including 1 to 7. So first question is, in a group, the reactivity of a metal with oxygen, or there increases or decreases. So we have to explain with an example. In a group, the reactivity of metal with oxygen increases. Why? So in a group, the reactivity of metal with increases. So it increases as we decrease or as we move down. For instance, alkali metal on exposure to air show an increase in affinity for oxygen as we move from top to bottom. For example, this is my first A group. ये मेरा first A group है. That is first is lithium, then sodium, then potassium, then rubidium, then cesium, and at last francium. So the reactivity increases. The reactivity increases. Reactivity increases down the group. Increases down the group. So, for example, for lithium, I am taking example as lithium. So lithium Li plus oxygen, 2 moles of oxygen O2. So it will produce that 2 moles of lithium, that is lithium normal oxide. Okay, that 2 moles of lithium. Now the second is sodium. 2 moles of sodium reacts with oxygen. It will produce sodium peroxide, Na2O2. And for calcium, potassium, and rubidium, for calcium reacts with oxygen, it will produce superoxide, KO2. So this is the general. For lithium, it will normal oxide. For sodium, it will produce peroxide. And for potassium and upward, it will produce superoxide. So reactivity, as we move from top to bottom or moving down, the reactivity with oxygen increases. So in a group, the reactivity of metal with oxygen increases. Now the second one is, which element is more metallic, magnesium or aluminium? First we have to consider they are in same group or a period. सबसे पहले हमें देखना है कि क्या वो एक same period में है या group में है. For example, this is the sodium, magnesium, and aluminium are in third period. That is this one. First is sodium, magnesium, and aluminium. Yeah. And it will move forward. Okay, this is third period. So as magnesium are the members, So the reactivity decreases in a period. That is, reactivity decreases. So magnesium is more metallic than aluminium. The reason is, as जो हमारे पास period में ना period में reactivity decreases. Reactivity decreases when moving from left to right. When moving from left to right. So it shows that the magnesium is more metallic than aluminium. This is the reason. No. The third one is, what is the importance of magnesium? So the major importance is it has relatively low density. The density is low, as it is used in making lightweight alloys with aluminium. That is used for making frames of automobiles. First one is frame of automobiles. That aircraft. That the frame of aircraft, frame of spaceships, and frame of cameras. Because of low density, and it is used in making lightweight alloys. This is the third. This is the simplest one. Now, arrange the following in the order of increasing acidic strength. So, what is first is HF, then HI, then HBr, and then HCl. So what is HF? Halogens react with oxygen to form hydrogen halide. So H2 plus halogen any group. This is the halogen: fluorine, bromine, iodine, acetylene. These are all the halogens. So it will produce halogen hydrogen halide. Okay, this is hydrogen halide. So the reaction of fluorine with hydrogen is explosive. So H2 plus F2. It will produce 2HF, H2 plus Cl2. It will produce 2HCl. So the acidic strength HF is less than HCl, and HCl is less than HBr, and HBr is less than HI. So the acidic strength is more of this hydrogen halide, then it moves from HBr, HCl, and HF, and the decreasing order we have to arrange in order of increasing acidic strength. Okay, so for this one, HF is less than HCl, then it's less than HBr, then it's less than HI. So this is the increasing order of acidic strength. Now, moving forward, arrange the following oxides in order of decreasing basic characters. So first is, this is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, and strontium. So as in the second group, the basic character of metal oxides of main group increases down the group. So as we move down, so the basic character increases. So this strontium का जो oxide होगा, ये ज़्यादा basic होगा with respect to calcium, and calcium is more than magnesium, and magnesium is more than beryllium. So the order of increases, strontium oxide is more basic than calcium oxide, then more basic than magnesium oxide, which is more basic than beryllium oxide. Okay, now rank each of the following elements in order of decreasing metallic character. So moving forward, is on the next page. Aluminium, sodium, and magnesium. So as in the period, these are in third period: aluminium, sodium, sodium, and magnesium. These are in third period. So as in the period, move from left to right. Electropositive character जो है basically decreases. So a decreasing order of metallic character is metallic character किसका कम sodium का, then magnesium, then calcium. Because first there is now the arrangement is this is here sodium first, then magnesium here, and aluminium at the last. So this is the decreasing or metallic character of third group. Now in case of sodium, lithium, and calcium, this is in group. So as from top to bottom, electropositive character increases. So lithium is less metallic than sodium and it's less metallic than calcium. Now, which of the following displacement reaction will not occur? First is Cl2 plus 2 sodium chloride. It will produce 2 NaCl plus F2. Now, chlorine and fluorine, they both are halogens. They don't react. So displacement reaction will not occur. In this case, displacement reaction will not occur. And the main reason is reactivity of halogen decreases down the group. So फ्लोरीन दैट इज अगर इस पॉइंट पे हमारे पास क्लोरीन की जगह फ्लोरीन होता और इधर फ्लोरीन होता तो द रिएक्टिविटी कैरेक्टर फ्लोरीन इज ग्रेटर देन फ्लोरीन देन ब्रोमीन एंड देन आयोडीन. तो इस कैरेक्टर को हमें देखना है. फर्स्ट this fluorine will attach with this chlorine, so there must be a simple fluorine and then other the chlorine, bromine, or iodine or acetylene. Now the second is bromine and iodine. Now see the bromine is single and then iodine. This will happen, reaction will happen. Okay, now iodine and bromine can't happen because the reactivity of bromine is greater than iodine. So for reaction, bromine must be in individual or in the identity state, and the iodine must be in a compound state. So in this case, it will no displacement reaction will occur. So therefore, I2 can not oxidize Br2. Now, what is aqua regia? So aqua regia basically is known as a royal water. First, that is royal water. And it contains 3 parts of concentrated HCl and 1 part of concentrated HNO3. Gold and platinum react with aqua regia. So first is that 3 parts of concentrated HCl and 1 part of concentrated HNO3. So this is the aqua regia. So that's all from this lecture. Allah Hafiz.